Hey there, I want to show you one of my favorite features in Scribeware. We call it the bullets and photo captions feature. What I have over here is a series of, it looks like, 9 different electrical issues that were uncovered during a home inspection. And how a lot of people's reports read, because of how software works, you would put these in as individual items, right? There was an interior receptacle used for the exterior. Hire a licensed electrician. There's a damaged cover plate. Hire a licensed electrician. There's an open ground. Hire a licensed electrician. There's running splices onto knob and tube. Hire a licensed electrician. And you would end up with potentially, like, 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 repair items all under electrical. And there's nothing wrong with it, but it ends up being kind of repetitive in how it reads, and I think it ends up looking to the client as though you sort of checked a bunch of boxes in some software. So this is just an alternate way of doing it that I think is also pretty fast and just kind of cleaner and easier for the client to read. So I've got, under most common comments, I've got numerous repairs in my branch wiring section. And I use it so much I've set it up as a checkbox. So I just check the box and I get my comment. This is a really general statement that overall numerous red flags are noted in the wiring system indicating unreliable and incomplete wiring practices. I recommend additional inspection and repair of the wiring system by a licensed electrical contractor, as additional repairs could be needed that are latent or concealed. This should be considered urgent for safety reasons. Now, this underlining is only going to be seen by the home inspector, but I put it there to remind me and other inspectors, if you're using this comment, to remember that you need to do something here. So this says examples of observations and defects found during inspection are included in this chapter as repair items and also include, and I've got a colon. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to just highlight all my pictures. We got, looks like 9 of them here. We're going to drag these guys in. So we got all of our pictures. Now we're going to use the photo captions. Now in Scribeware, we've got a separate library just for photo captions. So I'm just going to start typing in using the keyword search, and I started typing in interior, and I thought I might find this one, an interior receptacles being used on the exterior. So I'm going to grab that. That's the comment I want, and I'm going to hit save. Let's go. We're going to open this one up. I'm going to use the word damaged. Surface run. Broken, damaged exterior receptacle covers were noted. I'm going to select that one. See, west side. This was actually at the south side. I've got my labeling right. So I'm going to hit save. Got my comment there. This was finding open grounds on the inside of an old house. Open electrical junction box. That's not what I want. Open grounds noted on the main floor. Open ground was noted on the refrigerator. I think I'll probably go with open grounds noted on main floor where there were 3-prong receptacles. That's actually pretty good. I'm just going to keep that one. Let's click this one. Let's see what we got. I think we've got a running splice. So I'm just going to type in the word running. Non-standard running splice onto knob and tube. I'm going to add a little more to that. So I just added a little more specific detail. I like that. We're going to save. This one is almost the same defect, just running splices onto the knob and tube. So let's not even caption this. We'll just give it a little circle to show where there. Look at the bee's nest up there. Alright. This is kind of the same issue, just running splices. Let's type in the word junction. Let's see. I like this one. Running splices noted in the crawl space. All splices should be contained inside junction box. I'm going to change this to attic. Alright, we're going to hit save. This is kind of the same defect here with running splices onto knob and tube. I'm going to just circle that. And then here we have, I'm going to type in the word bathroom. The only electric receptacle available in the bathroom are in the light. This is non-standard, the only electric receptacles. So we'll save that one. And then we've got, this one's actually more running splices in the attic. So why don't we change the sequence? We're just going to put these like that. So that kind of goes with this caption. So now I've kind of resequenced my photos. I've put captions with them. And to finish this comment, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to hit this little magic button, and that makes a bulleted list of all of my photo captions right below the general statement. So now this says the end of this paragraph is examples of observations and defects found during inspection are included in this chapter's repair items, and also include an interior receptacles being used on the exterior, proper in-use cover, which CI protections recommended for exterior receptacles, broken damaged exterior receptacles noted at the south side, open grounds noted on the main floor where there were three-prong receptacles, non-standard running splices onto knob and tube in the attic, see above the bathroom, running splices noted in the attic. All splices should be contained inside junction boxes. The only electrical receptacles available in the bathroom are in the light. This is non-standard. So you could edit these more if you want. That's a kind of nice list. So that's sort of my comment that, like, hey, this is kind of gets at the art of being vague and specific. This upper paragraph is a pretty vague comment that, boy, you need repairs here, and then all of these are very specific. But I'm trying to be careful to not say that those are the only things that are a problem. They're examples of what we found during inspection. So I think plenty of specific detail to feel justified calling out for having an electrician check out the wiring system, but open-ended enough comment that if they find more things, we're sort of covered. So anyway, I hope that video helps. Thanks for watching. Cheers.